Hi and welcome back to Coinceras channel. Folks, the tokenization upheaval back in August of last year, we saw this get posted by Swell. Also, we were truly comparable to this thought that tokenization would have been gigantic, and driving into the later long periods of 2023. What's more, even into mid-2024. Think about what we saw tokenization truly heat up. In any case, we definitely realized that it would have been huge, in light of the fact that Blackrock enlightened us back in 20.2, Also, we have been following tokenization since going as far as possible back to 2021. What's more, earlier, I was definitely not a substance maker, cycle 2020 and 2019, and that's what things like. Yet, tokenization isn't new. This has been around beginning around 2016. And, surprisingly, a smidgen in advance. Yet, as we truly see this, right, this got posted back in last August. Furthermore, in the event that we take a gander at the full breakdown, it is the token life cycle and the web of significant worth. What does the life cycle venture resemble for a tokenized resource? Presently, as we take a gander at this, we actually need to remember that everybody is centered around a certain something, and that is the very thing these huge players are doing. The justification for why everybody is centered around Blackrock is a direct result of the cash attached to Blackrock, yet what they are, as totally overlooking and what they're unaware of is exactly the way that huge tokenization really is. It won't be simply, not entirely set in stone by one major name like Blackrock coming into the space and using Ethereum, which everybody accepts, which I believe is ludicrous. Furthermore, I really believe it's an interruption away from the enormous players that will be using. In any case, similar to everybody is centered around the thing these names are doing, and not the names in the space that are as of now here that have the foundation set up for tokenization to turn into a reality as a matter of fact. What's more, here we include a full breakdown inside this paper by Swell. We have tokenized, which this is the point at which you really tokenize anything of significant worth on resource, and proprietorship freedoms of that resource are changed over into an interesting computerized symbolic that addresses its worth on the blockchain 80%. In addition to worldwide money pioneers figure tokenization will hugely affect exchanging tokenized resources like stocks and securities, trading land, subsidiaries, and even carbon markets. 18 billion all-out market size of all tokenized resources. Deal with the token can be utilized to exchange, move proprietorship, make an installment, loan, get, and so forth by means of a trade or commercial center. 50 billion or more all-out challenge market cap in February of 2023. 66% of big business finance pioneers are know all about involving blockchain answers for money to exchange, get, or loan tokenized genuine resources. And afterward down here we likewise have moved with expanded liquidity. The token's worth can be utilized as a type of computerized cash and moved all over the planet continuously all day, every day. 365 250 trillion or more expected cross-boundary installments esteemed by 2027. Also, what they are seeing here is tokenizing, the cross-line installment plot, which is the very careful thing that the BIS has been tending to, as well as even the IMF now beyond this, right? We know there's a ton of significant worth behind unambiguous business sectors like the cross-boundary installment market, yet what might be said about tokenized business? So we have tokenization will drive more prominent worldwide development. Finance leaders hope to investigate tokenization as a method for driving advancement over the course of the following 3 years. Here we have resources that would benefit the most from tokenization. 63%. This is online security and information security apparatuses, half stocks. We additionally have 72% as the significant thing as far as like the following 3 years tokenization will drive advancement. Here we have tokenization and expect it to have significant effect across an assortment of purpose cases. What's more, here we have 4 monetary establishments: public stock exchanging and confidential offer exchanging for ventures, metaverse, 67%, and admittance to occasions and encounters 51%. Like this is organizations and monetary monsters that will genuinely see a lot of effect from tokenization and bear the cost of many advantages for undertakings and monetary foundations the same. Like for instance, top advantages of tokenization: admittance to all day, every day 365 business sectors, extraordinary monetary spryness and adaptability, upgrade security and protection, further developed effectiveness and robotization. Top advantages: CBDCs and basic coins, better information, the board, security, dependability, and lifespan. Additionally, expected utilization is high sooner rather than later. 80%. In addition to of worldwide money pioneers are probably going to start utilizing digital currency CBDCs as well as steady coins in their business in the following 3 years. Once more, business will have a significant change happen to it throughout the span of the following 3 years alone. What's more, have to recollect this is back in 2003. So we're discussing 2026 in the following 2 years. Certainty is most noteworthy in cryptographic forms of money to address business issues contrasted with conventional monetary standards. CSN stablecoins. Presently, for what reason am I bringing this up? Indeed, in light of the fact that this as of late, we saw 2 reports. This is April 14th of 2023. Tokenization of certifiable resources, a vital driver of computerized resource reception. Bank of America was back in 2023. Alright, center around the dates here. Presently, this is from Bank of America that are in any event, discussing how tokenization will be something tremendous, particularly around reception, computerized resources. However, at that point, likewise November 3rd, 2022, a smidgen preceding that, we have JP Morgan executes first challenge exchange on open blockchains. Presently, on the off chance that we investigate all of this, assuming we address all of this, what I see as extremely entertaining about this is, as of late, think about the thing we have been hearing: private blockchain innovation, private blockchain innovation. No, that is presently not a thing. We know that these TradFi Goliaths are presently taking a gander at public blockchain innovation in light of the fact that, recollect, assuming they tap into private blockchain innovation, it's simply a walled garden. Presently, I expressed here on X, that the genuine 200 intelligence level play is acknowledging how little of a player Blackrock is in the round of tokenization. Everybody is playing the promotion game around an organization with 10 trillion in resources under administration. Imagine greater possibilities. The complete addressable market of tokenization isn't even in the trillions. It's in the quadrillion-dollar level. This is on the grounds that, returning to December of 2022, BlackRock chief says up and coming age of business sectors is tokenization. From that point forward, indeed, they picked a couple of champs. In any case, past that is simply BlackRock. We're not discussing every other person. Okay. In any case, what's entertaining about this is, in a new report from Medico, back in September: tokenization, the fate of resource possession past ETFs, and rights. This is from Medico, back in September, even before the ETFs got endorsed, letting us know that it's a lot greater than just ETFs. Everything beyond ETFs. What's more, even it's like everything will be tokenized. We have down here, what's in store is tokenized. While ETFs and rights have been progressive. What's more, let me zoom in so you folks can see this. I've been progressive in furnishing normal financial backers with potential chances to claim parts of, in any case, illiquid resources, they actually capability inside the structure of customary money, with all its inborn impediments. Tokenization offers fragmentary possession, yet improves it with extraordinary programmability, higher straightforwardness, and prevalent cost revelation systems as blockchain innovation develops, and administrative structures adjust. Tokenization stands to rethink how we might interpret owning a resource without these computerized resources will battle to arrive at their maximum capacity. So tokenization is the secret key here, very much like a great deal of these players, as for instance, Bank of America are letting us know what is influential for Medico emerging and saying this, yet it's showing us that past what we see with the ETF hogwash, there is significantly more things occurring in the background that most don't know about, in light of the fact that they're just centered around one name, and that is Blackrock. Would return to these breakdowns, from Swell discussing tokenization, discussing the vital discoveries behind it. And afterward you have these customary monsters like Bank of America and JP Morgan, truly sort of showing you what they're doing, how they're getting it done, and what they're anticipating doing. Since even as far as this is separated as far as challenge and around tokenized government securities is no joking matter. That is all there is to it for the video. If it's not too much trouble, share your considerations in the remark segment, and if it's not too much trouble, buy in as usual. See you soon, bye.